How are you? Chef Ivan Flowers from beautiful sunny San Diego, and today we are doing hot shrimp. Hot shrimp is open tabula rasa. How do you make hot shrimp? Depends what you want to do. So what we've got going is we've got beautiful U15s, which is a nice size shrimp. And I've just got it going at this point in a little bit of olive oil. I'm going in with a little sambal ulik, which is rather hot. I am then going in with nice Alta Cocina tomatoes. I have chili roasted grapes and apples. I'm going to lower my heat down just a little bit, start to work that, and then a little achiote. I could say achiote all day long. Achiote is a nice seed, known for a lot of Latin Caribbean flavors, smoky, sweet, just a little bit of achiote. I like a touch of tarragon. I'm going to hit it with salt and pepper, a little bit of fresh orange, a little bit of fresh lime, and then just a splash of coconut, just a touch. I want to keep that bright color. Shrimp takes literally 2 minutes. If you overcook it, it's done. If you undercook it, it's chewy. And you can see it's alive with color. If you wanted to add mangoes, papayas to this, feel free. It's the whole idea of how are you cooking the shrimp, keeping the integrity, balancing the heat with a touch of sweetness, a little coconut milk for creaminess. This is what's going to make it a salad. I like to put a little kale.